Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to find passwords and security. Now scroll down to find the privacy and enter encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got clear credentials option, so just tap on it and confirm it with OK. We've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What is more, we cannot tap on this option right now, and it also means that we removed already existed credentials. Alright, so basically that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.